Bing AI tutorial. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Bing AI. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Microsoft Edge and you're going to come to this section over here where it says chat. So once you click on chat, as you can see, it's going to open up chat. So this is Bing chat with ChatGPT 4. So if you click on this, this is basically your Bing AI. Now you can ask it anything. So let's say I'm going to write, tell me how to fix my, let's say, sound error in Windows 10. Okay, you can ask it anything, and it's gonna give you all the recurring responses. Even if you make a typo, it's gonna correct that for you. It's gonna go with the nearest correct experience. As you can see, it says, "Hello, this is Bing. I'm sorry that you have issues." And it's gonna start generating answers for you. Obviously, it's slower right now because maybe, the service is heavy right now. The service is more, you could say, crowded. But once it's not crowded, it's pretty easy to go ahead and walk yourself through these things, okay? So that's basically Bing AI, and that's how you're going to use it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.